Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the creek, the Tunkhannock Creek, to fish for some smallmouth bass. We did get a little bit of rain last night, so the creek's gonna be up a little bit. It's a little stained, but we're gonna try some different baits today, different colored baits. And guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please think about subscribing. In any part of this video, if you like the content, hit that thumbs up button. And if it is your first time visiting the channel, leave me a comment below. So let's get into some fishing, guys. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at these. Stained water, I figure we'll give it a shot. 4-inch. I could get it open here. It's definitely a color I normally would never throw, but I'm gonna try it. Show you how we do this. Just like that, guys. Hopefully we'll be able to wade this creek to the safely. Oh my God, it's cold. Why is it so cold? Oh my God. Try over here. Bubblegum swirl. Let's see what we could do. We're gonna head back the other way on the other side of the bridge down here. I'm thinking this creek might be a bust today, guys. We might have to go somewhere else. Water's cold. It's very stained, you know, it's high, it's sunny. It's everything you don't want when you're creek fishing. Maybe we'll switch it up to some ultralight fishing. Have my ultralight pole, like I always do, but we'll see. We'll make our way up and see how it goes. So, I mean, look at how, I don't know if you can tell, but look at how fast that current's moving. It's insane. Yeah, last weekend it was, I don't know, mid-60s probably. I would say now it's mid-50s. It's probably 10 degrees colder today than it was. Today's a Saturday. I fished last Sunday. That was 6 days ago. Once it's cooled off. It's not like we were getting, I mean, it's been like 70 every day this week. I don't think that's probably in the high 50s. I don't know. I said like 55, but yeah, it's hard to tell. It's just frustrating. Things can change though, we'll see. You got a fish, guys. Yeah. First fish on the net. Not a bad smallie to start with. Yeah, buddy. There he is, guys. Just drifting. I guess we got one. No skunk today. See you, dude. My confidence level goes from a 1 to a 5, so it's a good thing. Got another one, guys. Whoa, what do we got here? Oh my God, guys. What is this? Guys, this is something big. Is this a smallie? Oh my God. If this is it's not fighting. Oh. I just want to see it. What is this? It's gotta be a carp. Guys, if this is a smallie, it's huge. Yeah, it's gotta be a carp, right? Oh, come off, come on. What is it? It's a catfish. Wow, look at this channel, guys. Nice fish. Got him. Wow. Look at this channel cat. Holy crap. Guys, look at this fish. Let's let him go. There he goes. Big old channel. My PB. I don't catch many catfish, so this is what we were throwing. This is called copper truce. We were getting those couple fish, couple bites. Then I lost the rig. I'm like, oh, I'll switch it up to color. So let's go back to this and see if we get any more bites. Give it a few casts and then we'll move back down. Oh wait, we got another one, guys. Color makes everything. First cast. This is the color they want today. It's the second small jaw of the day, little guy. See you, dude. Yep. Usually I do great with that P&J, but this is what they're gonna get all day, I guess. At least if they stop biting. That's actually one of the biggest factors of fishing, I think, is finding, well, one, the right bait, but also the right color. I always say, whatever your favorite lures, get all different colors, because it does make a difference. Some days it doesn't so much, but yeah, I should have weighed that catfish, but like I said, I don't catch many of them, so this is actually a year I'm probably gonna start trying for them. The ones I've caught in the past is just by accident. It wasn't like I was targeting them. Fucking snake. Get. Oh, I hate snakes. Oh my God, I got a fish. I was crossing here. Guys, how cool is that? Am I recording? Yes, I am. I was crossing, my lure's just in the water. Are you kidding me? That's insane, guys. That's a nice smallie too. I was just crossing these rocks. See you, buddy. That was cool. That's a first. He's just dangling it though. I guess I'll have to look at that footage, but I don't think it was that far down. That just scared the shit out of me. Holy crap. I've never been so scared in my whole life. A branch brushed up against me. I was like daydreaming. There's a fish. Little guy. Tiny. Look at that one.